Hey there. As you can see, I have on a matte purple lipstick. We have some bold colors going on here. So if you want to achieve this look, keep watching this video. Let's jump right into the makeup. Going in the Mikakayla GlamLite eyeshadow palette because I want to do some orange. I was inspired by the influencer, I forget her name, I'll pop her in here. But I just wanted to mesh together some bold colors because it's kind of out of my comfort zone. And just see how they look on my skin tone. I'm going to be taking the shade Hot Cocoa as a transition shade. This is going to just make my shadows blend seamlessly, okay? Atlanta won the World Series. I just feel like I'm just hearing stuff outside. I'll probably go to the parade tomorrow. For sure. Not for sure. We have our starting shade on. I want to take orange. I want to use the orange shade, but I think I want to go in. Do I want to go in with my darker shade first? That Willow color, I've used this before. It's really chocolatey, but it's so chocolate, it looks purple. This is a Sigma brush. I don't know the number. It's like gone, but y'all, Sigma has dope brushes. I feel like people are sleeping on them when they were all the rave a few years ago. I was in, what was I, Walmart, and they already have Christmas stuff out, y'all. We gonna have Easter in January, watch. I know that's right though, because last year had us messed up. All the way up. As I say, don't worry about it being neat. That's why I can do my eyes first. I focus more on the blending. You can always clean it up, but you want to make sure that blend is decent. It also depends on the shadows too. I'm going to go ahead and want to take Simba and Buffalo Chicken. There's like an orange color in this palette. Buffalo Chicken and Simba are the two orange colors that are in this palette. I might use my orange blush that I always use on my cheeks from MAC, since I don't really have like orange eyeshadow. Now that is bomb. Let's take a flat fluffy brush. This is like a jumbo one, and it fits perfectly on my eyelid, and I just press right on my eyelid going upwards. Trust the process. Trust the process. I know I look crazy right now. Top it off with that blush because Buffalo Chicken and Simba I feel like are not orange enough. So I'm going to be using this MAC blush. This blush name, they've changed it. So I'll try to drop it down below. Or like try to find the name because they changed it. I want a little bit more definition. I'm not going to go in with black. We're saving black for another look. My Charlotte smudger brush, take a dense brush, a more dense dome type of brush. And I'm going to go right into that crease a little bit. Onto the outer. This really does help give it a little bit more definition where you want it to be. Take my overall fluffy blending brush and just make sure I blend. So these color shadows, you really have to apply and blend, apply and blend. Well, I would say for me, that's what I have to do. Really get my payoff. I'm really going to be looking for some really good color matte shadows. I'm going to take the Inglot number 77 gel liner, and I'm just going to be using this and applying my eyeliner. The eyeliner, this is the best eyeliner to me. It's matte, it's black, it's strong, so you do need a makeup wipe to get it off, or a really good eye makeup remover.
So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back.
I always cleaning up my liner because I'm always messing it up, but I need a better setup. Just take some concealer, a really precise brush, and you can take the other end. This is the Makeup Ariel Morphe brush. The other end here, and just to clean up your liner. So like I said, makeup, if you get in your head about it, if you mess up or make a mistake, or if you're not applying it as neat, I would say, I feel like that's an easier way to give up, not to continue, because makeup is art. It's shadows, it's paint, and you clean it up, like, you know, you perfect it. I'm going to be adding on just some waterline eyeliner. I'm using the one size Point Made Audacious Black eyeliner. This one is my favorite. I think y'all are tired of me using it yet. Let me know. I'll stop. Let me know. Look how easy that glides. Like, you can't tell me. Lashes, I'm going to be using the lashes in Hollywood. This is my favorite lash. Trying to figure out if I want to wear this when I go out for my birthday. So nothing yesterday, but I'm going out Saturday. If I want to wear these lashes, because these lashes, girl, you can never go wrong. Chanel Le Volume, just on our top lashes for the moment. I do my lower lash shadow and mascara last. I'll be using the Huda Beauty. This is her older one, I believe. This is her foundation. This is in the shade Mocha G 500 G. Full coverage, and as I mentioned before, I like it. I just don't like the smell, but I'm gonna use it because it's just been sitting in my drawer. It's a tad bit darker, but this is okay because we're gonna highlight. Yeah, this thing is such full coverage. Like, this thing can probably cover a tattoo. Foundation actually had to grow on me because I was like, really wasn't feeling it. And it wasn't because of the color or anything. I just wasn't kind of feeling it. But sometimes for me, I have to use a foundation a few times. Like, I don't know why. A little bit of our lash here. Hourglass Vanish Concealer in the shade Velvet. Talking about full coverage creamy. Your girl. What I'm gonna do after this, make dinner, shower, and eat, and take all this off because I was like, let me just make a video. I did not feel like making this video, but I'm just like, you know what? I need to make this video. My face makeup be taking me no time. I'm taking the Huda Beauty Full Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade Toasted Almonds. I love this concealer. I don't know if I want it in my concealer shade or if I like it just for highlighting. And it has this cooling tip piece on here. Shoot, this stuff is the bomb.
used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate.
I'll hurry up and set my under eye powder, but I'm not going nowhere, so I don't really care if it creases. We're going to be taking the Fenty Matchstick. This is in the shade Expresso. This is still one of my favorites. I feel like it blends really good to be a stick sculpting product. Because sometimes these stick products be like, feel like butter in it that's been in the refrigerator. That applied, I'm going to go in with the Sasha Buttercup powder. I'm glad I'm using this one again because it's just been sitting. I'm like, why is this just sitting there? It's a good powder. To use a more of a dense brush to dust off my powders, because I feel like a more dense brush is going to give you 1-800 Geico. Okay, going to give you guarantee. Going to be guaranteed to be off your face. Going with my Fenty Mocha Mami Stalker Bronzer. I'm going to just take my angled brush, hit the cheeks area. Ooh, ooh, push it. Ooh. I add my leftover on the forehead. I try not to dip and go on the forehead. I try to just add my leftover on the forehead because you'll be out here having like a huge line right there of bronzer. Story of my life. Lower lash line, I'm going to actually take that shade Willow and hit my lower lash line. You see it's brown, but it looks so purple. It looks so purple. I feel like we need something on the lower lash line. Just take that Orange Max blush here. I'm gonna go in with a Luxe brush because I want to add some orange. Of course, lower mascara for the lower lashes. The Chanel Le Volume is such a good mascara if you have teeny tiny itsy bitsy lashes like me. I'm gonna take a blush. I barely use it. It's Seduction by Nars. I don't think I've ever used it. Very generous with my blush. And I want to just go upwards here. Go in with your blush. Nars Seduction. It's like a purple color. Laura Geller Gilded Honey. I've used this before. Let's head into these lips. As a lip liner, I'm taking MAC's Nightmoth. I'm going to be on a matte lip. I haven't used this liquid lipstick in so long. Matter of fact, I haven't used this brand, I feel like, in a minute. First got it, I was so hyped. It's Colouredrained, and this is in the shade Rain Fever. It's like a purple matte shade. And let's just see how this look is gonna come out. This is just a fun, bold colors look. Finishing spray. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just want to do something like bold colors, you know, like putting just bold colors together, like an orange and a purple and things like that. I haven't used this liquid lipstick in a minute, but it still hits. It's one of those 2015 lip colors because she most definitely is cute, but she is dry, by Colouredrained. And I actually like how the look came out, and purple looks so good on us. And so does red.